Good morning. Today I wanted to show the summon ability of the Tesla Model S to open and close garage doors while summoning your Tesla. So here I'm inside the garage and here's the Tesla Model S, and what I want to do is I want to go outside and have the car open the garage door and leave the garage and actually close it behind it. Okay, so let's give it a go. So let's go outside, and now let's press summon. Okay, and let's have the car go forwards. I hear activating. Ooh, it opened my garage door. And, whoa, excuse the dirt on the car. It's been very snowy. And now, the car is moving forward. Alright. So, summoning it in and out of the garage is a snap. And let's see it close the door behind it. If it will. And it did close the garage door behind it. Isn't that cool? Okay, so there you go. I've summoned the car out of the garage. Till the next Tesla video, this is Tesla Ariel.